This is lesson 3, day 2, on our lesson for solving for unknown angles using equations. So starting with example 3, we have two lines that meet at a point that is also the endpoint of a ray. The ray is perpendicular to one of the lines as shown in a complete sentence. Describe the relevant angle relationship in the diagram. Set up and solve the equation. So here we got, again, ladies and gentlemen, we have vertical angles here and here. So we have angle 26 degrees, angle 90 degrees, and angle T degrees are vertical angles and equal each other. Therefore, 26 plus 90 equals T. So now we have 1/16 equals T. So T is 116 degrees. This would be 90. So this equals this. Okay? Next. Two lines meet at a point that is also the endpoint of a ray. The ray is perpendicular to one of the lines as shown. In a complete sentence, describe the relevant angle relationships in the diagram. You may add labels to the diagram to help with your description of the angle. Set up and solve the equation for the value of V. Here's one of the ones, guys, where you are going to need to help yourself out here, because this is what we have to find is V right here. Okay. Now, because we know 46 degrees here, opposite that, okay, opposite that would be your vertical angle. And let's label that X degrees. Okay, let's label that X degrees. Or actually, let's not. Let's do it this way. We can say it this way. Let's label, no, let's do that. Let's label that X degrees. Sorry, guys. Degrees, not squared. Sorry. Okay, so here's what we can do. Okay, we can say, that angle 46 degrees and angle X are vertical angles, and equal each other. Okay. Then we can say angle X and angle V or angle the 90 degrees, the right angle, okay, added together are adjacent angles and added together will give you angle V. So here we go. We have X equals 46 degrees So then we have x plus 90 equals v. So 46 plus 90 equals v. So v is going to equal 136 degrees. Okay? So next we have three lines meet at a point in a complete sentence. Describe the relevant angle relationship in the diagram. Set up and solve the equation to solve the value of x. Is your answer reasonable? And explain how you know. Well, angle 8 and angle y, which is what we're going to label here, are vertical angles and equal each other. Angle x and angle y are adjacent and form a 90-degree angle. So 8 equals y. So x plus y equals 90. X plus 8 equals 90. Subtracting 8 from both sides. X equals 82 degrees. Yes, my answer is reasonable because adding the 82 plus the 8 plus the 90 degrees will give us 180, which forms angles on a line for this particular figure. Okay, next. Two lines meet at a point that is also the endpoint of two rays. In a complete sentence, describe the relevant angle relationship. Set up and solve the equation. Find the measurements of AOB and BOC. Well, you can see here, right here, and right here, that these are vertical angles. So you have angle AOC and angle 90 degrees, angle 25 degrees are vertical angles. And equal each other. So now we can put them set to one another. So we have 2x plus 3x equals 90 plus 25. So now we have 5x equaling 115. So divide both sides by 5. So we have x equals 23. So here we have 2x equals 2 times 23, which equals 46. So the measurement of angle AOB is 46 degrees. And we have 3x, which equals 3 times 23, which equals 69. So M, the measurement of BOC, is 69 degrees. Our last problem in a complete sentence to describe this, we have angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles and form a 90-degree angle. So we've got 5x plus 2x plus 20 equals 90. So we have 5x plus 2x plus 20 equals 90. So we have 7x plus 20 equals 90. So subtract 20 from both sides. We have 7x equals 70. Divide both sides by 7. We have x equals 10. So we have 5x equals 5 times 10, or 50. So the measure of AOB is 50 degrees. 2x plus 20 is 2 times 10 plus 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. So the measure of angle BOC is 40 degrees. And that ends our lesson for today.